some residents told us that there are 3 waterfalls here in Villaverde, and this is the so-called Bubon ni Apo Dios. We are currently looking for a path leading to the 2 other falls, namely the Nagbitin Falls and the Saludares Falls. And it is somewhat a challenge because there are no people around here whom we could ask.
Kadamdamag, datanog na anyo nga nagpasangat. Kita nyo, tabasit lang aja nga pag nanyo nga sumbreg.
So apparently, the path we've ventured is not leading to the 2 other falls. We can't find a path leading to the 2 other falls. It's why we ended up here in Bubon ni Apo Dios, and we met some new friends.